Right now, rising concerns over a deadly mosquito-borne illness in Arizona. Maricopa County says 5 people have died so far from West Nile virus. The county has reported 52 cases. That is more than 60% higher than at the same time last year. So what do we need to know? Joining us is Dr. Suzanne Templer, an infectious disease specialist at Honor Health. It is great to have you here. So this is really disturbing because this virus sometimes can have no symptoms. So, I mean, what do you do? How do you know, how to tell that you contracted the virus?
So actually, because 80% or more folks who get bitten by an infected mosquito don't show symptoms, there's actually nothing you need to do. And actually, it gives you immunity to it if another mosquito bites you. It's really only in that 20% where you start having symptoms, and some of the more worrying symptoms like high fever, headache, neck stiffness, people getting kind of confused, those people definitely need to seek medical attention.
Yeah.
But that's very rare.
But still, that's 1 in 5. I mean, that still sounds a little high. And you were saying earlier that Maricopa County, I mean, we rank one of the highest in the country.
Yes. Back in 2021, over 1,500 people were diagnosed with West Nile virus. And of that, about 1% get the very severe disease that affects the brain. And those are the people that have the highest risk of sequelae like brain damage or even death.
Yeah. Why are we so high? I mean, we're up 60-some% from last year. We rank one of the highest in the entire country for this virus. Why is that? I mean, it's probably because of the monsoon, but it just seems like there's more to that than the monsoon.
Yeah, so mosquitoes pick it up through infected birds and infected horses, and so folks in horse country definitely are at higher risk. I will also say that there has been more standing water than in the past couple years, and so if there's any stagnant water like in kiddie pools or somebody's not maintaining their pool well, that can also lead to issues where it gives a breeding ground for the mosquitoes.
So bottom line, what should people do?
Sure. So the mosquitoes are most active towards the late afternoon and evening time, but that's also when it's the hottest out. So the best thing you can do is actually stay inside. If you do need to be outside, bug spray like DEET or a picaridin are very active agents, and they're safe even on children.
Okay.
And then the other thing that you can do is wear like long sleeves or long pants, which I know is hard, but loose fitting clothing that covers the majority of your skin is also a good bet.
Yeah, to protect your skin. All right. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it. Troy?